We know SIP. This is a statement that I've made and we've made as a company over the last several years. And it's really true. We do know SIP. We made the industry's first clean steam regulator for reducing the pressure for SIP. And we've made a host of other products that really aid our customers in completing SIP in a timely manner. What you're looking at here is one of those products. This is the SSC, our Sanitary Subcooled Condenser. You can see the components of this device. There's a finned condensate chamber right here. We've got the steam inlet here. This is an inlet for a validation temperature sensor. And then we've got the steam trap. It happens to be a horizontal inlet steam trap on the bottom that's draining condensate from this. Well, this device replaces the normal 12 to 18-inch downcomber or drip leg that's between the validation sensor and a trap in a conventional installation. And we created that for that purpose. The distance between the center line of the steam inlet and the trap here is 2.5 inches. So we've had about a 5-fold decrease in the size of the installation. So it's great for compact clean steam installations. The other major benefit of this device is that it ensures that customers complete SIP on time, that they get through heat up fast, and temperature maintenance, temperature hold is done without temperature fault. Let me explain why that is. To do that, we've got to open this up and take a look at the inside of the SSC. As I mentioned, the SSC is a condensate chamber. And if you look in there, you can see two holes. The top hole is the steam inlet. The bottom is the inlet to the steam trap. Well, it's a sloped, drainable container in there. So anything that enters this completely drains out the bottom of it. How this device works is the capacity inside this container is equivalent to about 30 inches of 3/4 inch tubing. That's a lot of capacity. It also is capacity that ensures that during temperature hold, the condensate level will never rise to the point where it wets the temperature sensor here. So that's number one benefit. The second benefit of this device has to do with the fins. If you take a look at that, you'll notice that we've got this entire surface is finned. Fins represent a lot of surface area. The more surface area on an object, the greater the ability of that object to dissipate heat, to radiate heat. So the SSC is a great radiator for the heat of the condensate before it enters the trap. So we not only get a radiant heat loss from the fins, but if you put your wrist on top of the valve while it's hot and while it's operating, the other thing that you'll find is you'll feel a slight convective updraft. So we dissipate heat in two ways: radiant heat loss and also through convective heat loss. The net result of that is that we can subcool the condensate, we've measured, about 30 degrees Fahrenheit before it enters the trap. And what that means is, to the customer, it means that the trap is seeing cooler condensate, which means the bellows contracts, allows for higher flow rates out the trap. So that means you can heat up faster. And it also means, the other benefit, of course, was that we'd never build condensate levels to the point where we would wet the SIP temperature sensor. For more information about the SSC or any of our other innovative clean steam products, go to www.steriflowvalve.com or give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about these products.